Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Capcut PC or laptop lag problem. So if you are editing your videos on Capcut but then your Capcut PC is running slow or lag a lot, this is how you are going to fix it. So what you need to do is just head to menu at the top. If you are in the middle of editing, just click on menu in here and go find settings. Tap on it, and in here under the settings you'll find performance tab. So you can just click on this. And then for the encode and decode, you can just here we're encoding. And then in here, just turn on the proxy. So by turning it on, you can edit smoothly and faster without losing video quality. So just enable this. And after that, just tap on save. Okay, so hopefully by enabling proxy, you'll be able to edit smoothly and your CapCut lag will fix. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!